Any match is there today? All right. Then relax, right? DevOps match, huh? It's continuous test series. DevOps is continuous test series. DevOps, not 2020. Sunday, Sunday final, right? I'm not worrying this match. My worry is more on IPL only. It's a continuous batting, right? Lot of challenges. Okay. Yesterday I have shared one Terraform code, right? Hmm? Hmm. What you understood from that? CloudWatch. Did you run that? Eh? Yesterday's day is not good. Hmm? Time is not good to run Terraform. Hmm? Then why? Copy, paste, init, plan, apply. How much time it will take? Tell me how much time it will take. Tell me, upcoming software engineers, how much time it will take? 3.5 minutes. 3.5 minutes. ఇదేం calculation అండి బాబు? How much time it will take? Oh, 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. I'm not good at shortcuts. That's what the problem is. Nano 3.5 minutes. No, no, 3. As I said, I'm not good at shortcuts. Okay. 3 to 5 minutes. Then what are you waiting? Terraform at time install? Hmm? No. Tell me what happened to copy paste code in run? Huh? Ayo. Where is Ayo? Raj? Okay, let's jump. What is this, Raj? Will you please guide to team? Will you please guide to team to copy code run? Where is your Terraform? Oh, not here. Okay, see guys, ls cd git to clone cd terraform ls mkdir day 16 CloudWatch dashboard. What you need to do? Main.tf, go to Telegram group, 9 a.m. batch. Chart is, what is this? Who shared this? Help తగ్గేదేలే. Where I shared, I have already shared, I guess. Yeah. Copy, paste it. Day 16. Terraform init. I don't think so. Keys changed on my end. We'll see. So, okay, but here two changes are required. Yes, Lambda completed, right? Tell me what are the two changes here? How many metrics here? How many metrics? Oh, I think you are not open even this Terraform code, right? How many metrics? This is metric related for what? EC2 CPU utilization. This is what? Instance. AMI idea. Instance ID. Next metrics are what? Next metric for what? Here, Lambda function. And run means what? Go to CloudWatch, two dashboards you are able to see, custom dashboards. The size is x-axis 6, y-axis 0, width is 6, height is 6 centimeters. You can see. Then you can run Lambda 2 times, you can see two invocations. Why? I'm giving invocations as a matrix. Next, my instance ID, if instance is running, give instance ID and run Terraform apply. You are able to see your instance CPU utilization in this dashboard. Dashboard will create into where? CloudWatch. Will you do it? Only two changes. And if you want to check one more metric, for example, S3 upload metrics, if you want to see S3 size data something, what you should do? Add metric. You can do it. Understand? Here by adding the metrics, whenever you can apply, dashboards will create. What kind of dashboards? What I'm saying, whatever the dependencies is there in the Terraform file, first add those dependencies and run Terraform apply. Here two metrics are there. First metric is for EC2, second metric is for Lambda. So first you should create these two manually and then give Lambda function name and give instance ID. Then run Terraform apply here. So these two dashboards will create into where? CloudWatch. Where is the dashboard? Yeah. Here you are able to see two dashboards. One is for CloudWatch, one is for Lambda function. Sir, can you create manually also? If you want, you can create. But I don't like to create anything. Manual process is difficult. See, by seeing Terraform, we can easily understand code, right? Okay, dashboard name, CPU utilization and all. Manual process, you need to check each. You can give name and go inside which metric. You need to investigate so many things. Clear or not? Let's delete this. Will you try? So like this, you can create a different dashboards. Different dashboards means one is EC2, one is Lambda, one is S3. S3 relate. See here metrics Metric is what? This is metric. Which metric I'm using here? Which metric? CP utilization. Here which metric? Invocations. Run invocation. Like that we have a n number of metrics in CloudWatch. Right or not? What are the metrics? These are all metrics. EC2, check CPM, CP utilization. Like you can go and check any metric you can apply. If you want to apply S3, S3 metrics are what? Number of objects, bucket size bytes. Can I add bucket size bytes matrix? So I can add bucket size matrix also. In this case, copy here, and these are all common matrix. Inside you have to write bucket name, metric name, and give period, state sum, region, title. Control A if you want, Control C. Add bucket metric, S3 bucket matrix also. These are little interesting concepts. You have to do it. Yesterday, one of the ticket we modified. That's what I have shared in the group. But you guys are not checking even. Clear now? Like this, we can create a, yeah, whenever trainer is shared something in the group, whoever taking seriously and preparing only, they will get a job. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to please, you can learn, guys. State, sum, average means what? These are what? State is. And which state? Your matrix. Sum means what? Sum means what? Average. 2 to 215 average. Okay. These all comes under statistics. X-axis sum, Y-axis sum. Okay. Jenkins not yet done. Jenkins only completed what? Triggers. Next is what? Jenkins with Terraform. Okay. And different pipeline methods. Should I start Jenkins master slave concept? Hmm? Little difficult, okay? Jenkins. Okay. Okay. Master and slave everywhere is there. Hadoop, yeah. Hadoop and something. Okay. Okay. So Mumbai region, I'm creating a one key. I don't know existing keys there or not. Key will play important role for the Jenkins master and slave. Okay. Yes, please. If you are facing any issues to complete the lab, let me know. I will share the docs. My end, everything is there. Everything, every lab document is there. But you need to ask only. Just one word. Please share the doc. Not required, please also. Share the doc. We will take care. You ask only, I can understand, guys. If you are silence means I can understand everything is good. Jenkins Master. Key is downloaded, right? Okay. Key name is Jenkins Master. You can give any name. Okay. I'm creating a T2 medium. Little interesting concept. Interview 100% interview question also on Jenkins. If you not believe, ask 1030. They're already giving interviews, right? Whatever I'm saying, this is important. 100% question means this question will come only. You can check with them. Every day I'm getting calls 2 to 3 members. They're saying, sir, whatever you said, this question is confirmed. Same questions they're asking. What I understood from them, guys, if they are getting a call, if they got a call, they're able to clear. Now they're in the same situation. Maybe miss one interview, maybe miss second interview, but third interview definitely they will clear. But they're waiting for calls only. Understand? But why I'm saying that if they get call, they are ready to clear. You also be prepared like that. If anyone offer any job, give me 2 months, give me 3 months. I will start again. I will refresh again. Don't say like that. Ready first. Be ready. Opportunity will come from anywhere. You don't know that. Tomorrow someone will come. Someone can say, "Hey, you are that college, right? Yeah, I'm working in this company. Share your resume in my company. There is a openings." No, no, no. I needed 2 months time. Means immediately he will offer to someone. That's what we don't know. Offer will come. God will give offer to anywhere. If you do really hard work, definitely God will give an opportunity to you. At that time, you're ready to utilize that. Understand? If you ask time is what will happen? Someone is already ready, right? So someone is already ready to grab the opportunity. It will go that person. Understand or not? So I mean not talking about DevOps and cloud. We are ready to grab the opportunity. Not say something, I need time. This word is not at all good. Remember, I need time. I again start like a 10th inter BTech. I will refresh 1 month time. It's not like that, right? Make it ready yourself. Yeah, the confident level. Why I'm saying every time, in this case, you may ask the doubt, sir, how many people got a job? 1030 you are saying super, super. I'm not saying everyone got a job now. But I'm strongly saying one thing. If anyone will give reference to them, they will clear the opportunity. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, in 1 month, everything is not possible, right? One by one, they're getting a job slowly. Yeah. 3 persons only told me one thing, sir, please show me the opportunity, we will clear. Any interview, no problem. They're already cleared one round, the second round, third, but due to some problems, BGB problems, 3 persons failed in BCB. Some something problems, challenges, their backgrounds and all. But technically they're strong. At least technically they're strong. Understand? Problem is one problem we can clear. Multiple problems how to clear. What they are saying, technically we are strong, sir. But the problem is background. We are from 5 years career gap. We are from 4 years career gap. So unable to manage the background, unable to clear the background verification. We are getting MNC calls. Okay, at least not this company, different company may they get a job. But technically, I'm not strong, sir. My background is not good, sir. My communication not good, sir. I need job, sir. Is this good now, guys? One problem we can write. Everything is problem is how to solve the challenges. Yeah. First, focus on whatever there in your plate. At this time in your plate is technical stuff. Clear it first. Then we can see later what we can do. If really hard worker, I will give my company details to put in your resume. The BZ vendor I will take care also. Understand? That's what I have given 3-4 members already. Yeah. But don't ping to anyone in my colleagues. Yeah, remote also available. Nice, crazy guys. Yeah, let's. Key name is Jenkins Master. Remember, I creating a. Okay, what is Jenkins Master Slave? Yeah, guys. You said Baba always. You are saying Baba. Okay, Jenkins Master Slave. Okay, keep side. I will draw my Jenkins Master Slave. Okay. Okay. Now I'm here, right? Create already instance, right? T2 medium. Slaves means what? What Jenkins master can say, slaves can act accordingly. Okay, guys, I need to work with, I need to work on these areas. Git, Docker, Terraform, and Kubernetes. For example, okay, you tell me, guys, Git required, Docker required, Terraform required, Kubernetes required for one of the project. But that project, I'm going to, configure through Jenkins. Okay, you tell me single question from my end. If all configuration need to configure with Jenkins, you tell me, guys, Jenkins server plus all dependencies should be run inside the same server or not? In the previous classes, Jenkins install, Jenkins login. But if you configure the pipeline, Terraform and Git, you are getting an error. Git is not there. Terraform is not there. Means Jenkins is going and inside the server, Robo, right? Our Robo is going inside, checking Terraform is not there. Git is not there. Then why you are asking me to do this? First install those, then you can take my help. Right? Yeah. Now you tell me, Jenkins is running in one server. Okay? Yeah, running. Now, is there any rule to, for example, I need to work with these many tool, I mean configurations means no guarantee all are running in same server, right or not? Kubernetes cluster running on different nodes, Terraform running in different instance, maybe in your configuration purpose, Docker running in different instance, but all servers are different, right? How you can create all are in the same server if server delete everything on project gone enter, right or not? Then how you can manage real time? Docker Terraform can run in same server, or Docker Kubernetes can run in same server. Your Maven can run in same server. Maybe different server, different concepts. Okay. In this case, my end, one server is running. Inside Docker is running. Okay. Next, one more server. I'm taking just any sample ones, Terraform. No, please focus here, please. Just 10, 15 minutes, please focus. Yeah, you can easily understand the things here. But whatever you are saying, that is correct. But the way you are thinking is good. Yes, appreciate that. But this is different one. Guys, you tell me, how many servers are there? 2. Again 3 కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. 3. One is Jenkins, one is Docker, one is Terraform. Clear? So, guys, this Docker process, I want to automate with Jenkins. Clear? This Terraform process, I want to automate with Jenkins. This Terraform process, as already we discussed, how to automate with the Jenkins means Jenkins is installed, same server Terraform install. You are creating a dashboard to automate the process, init plan, clone, init plan, apply. Right or not? Now, if Terraform, I want to automate with Jenkins means what should I do first? Leave it master slave concept. Now, I'm talking about this server point of view. This process need to automate with Jenkins. What should I do? Ah, ah, where you can write a script? Jenkins, who will give? This server inside only Terraform only running, right? But where you can write pipeline? Install Jenkins first. Right or not? Yeah. Directly don't go the concept scripted pipelines and all. First, where is the Jenkins? That's what you need to think, right? Tell me, what should I do now? Install Jenkins. Very good. If you understand the concept, you can easily learn from anywhere, guys. No problem. Jenkins installation. Yes. Jenkins required or not? If Jenkins means again Java required. Only for Jenkins, 2 CPUs, 2 GB RAM is required for only Jenkins. Right or not? Okay. Clear this concept now? So due to Jenkins, you need to be increase the server size. Point number 1. Next, I want to automate this Docker process. At this time, you don't know Docker, but still, Docker automate process with Jenkins means what should I do here also? Install Jenkins. Now, question to you. How many Jenkins servers are running? How many Jenkins are running here? 2 Jenkinses. How many dashboards will create? Single dashboard will support? No, I'm talking about this 2. You just leave this. At this time, leave it. Okay. Better. Okay, these 2 are here, right? Now, if I want to do some changes in the Docker, what should I do? I should log in which Jenkins? This Jenkins. I want to do some changes in Terraform. Which Jenkins? This Jenkins. Like that, my end, 20 servers are there. How many Jenkins servers will run? 20. How many dashboards? 20. If you want to do changes, how many endpoints? 20 endpoints. Jenkins will run on public server or private server? Don't say public at all. Once again, I'm saying no public concept in real time. Only bash host, only public server in your real time. Everything is private. Then how to access Jenkins private server? Load balancer. Clear or not? Load balancers. Now tell me, how many load balancers are required? 20 Jenkins servers are running. 20 load balancers for 20 Jenkins servers. Right or not? Cost expensive or not? Plus, is it easily manageable? No. If any changes are required, you may confuse, right? Which Jenkins I need to log in? Docker Jenkins, Terraform Jenkins, Kubernetes Jenkins, Git Jenkins. Time consuming, multiple dashboards. If you want to check your process in one dashboard is not possible. Your project is depends on 20 Jenkinses. Client also confused, right? He may run instead of Kubernetes Jenkins, he may run Docker Jenkins also. Right? Is it good practice? No. Always, you tell me guys, 10 members are there. If one person take control, everything is good. 10 members, 6 members team leads are there, what will happen? Out of 10 members, 6 members team leads are there. What will happen? 6 different commands will come or not? Impact on 4 persons always. One TL will say, you follow my instruction. One TL will say, you follow my instruction. Complete, no team will. But one person is there, instructions will go from only one person always. That is good. Instructions are coming from multiple persons. What will happen? For example, this training is going to give multiple trainers. What will happen? Today I'll come. Guys, Jenkins install this process only. Tomorrow next trainer will come. Why you are install Jenkins this process? This is not good in real time. We are saying everything is wrong only. Different process is there. Final impact on what? You only, right? Understand what I'm trying to say? So here, each process one Jenkins server will run cost effective, difficult to manage. Okay, not good efficiency will get. So many challenges are there. But still I need Jenkins. What should I do? Then what should I do? Take this guy here. Okay. So now instead of deploy multiple master, always one master is good. Okay. Yeah. Now concept number 2. I want to automate Docker with Jenkins. Okay. Then take a master slave process. What it is? Jenkins will come and run, it will go. You want to work with Terraform? Jenkins will come, run, it will go. Means you tell me master Jenkins configure with multiple nodes. Understand? Master Jenkins only dashboard is there. Whenever run a pipeline execute means this pipeline will execute on here. Terraform Jenkins pipeline. If you run means it will execute here. To execute your Jenkins is able to connect first nodes. Right or not? Yeah. In this case, first advantage is, do I need to install Jenkins all the nodes? No. Clear now? This is a very good advantage. Clear now? How many Jenkinses are running now? One. Clear now? How many dashboards? Only one. Okay. Now, what is slave? But this is wrong. The slave means here also Jenkinses are there. Now, slave inside not required any Jenkins. Okay. Their meaning is Jenkins will go like this only. Okay. Okay. Jenkins with Docker means Jenkins will go here and run here. Next. Jenkins with Terraform, Jenkins will go here and run here. Our robo will go and run Docker and will come back. Okay. In this case, first no need to install Jenkins in the nodes. Okay. But here challenge is what? First, Jenkins robo will go to this node means first we should give a configuration from here to here. Right or not? Tell me this Linux server, right? Jenkins running inside the Linux server. This is also Linux server. How both servers will communicate on which process? SSH. Clear? Same like a Ansible process also same. Now this process will go on to connect right in the Docker through SSH. Clear? In this case, you need to build a configuration between master and node. So first we have to build configuration master and node. Node means slip. Clear now? How? Through SSH. We have one more method, controller method. Jenkins offers two methods to connect in nodes. Interview question. How your Jenkins will communicate to nodes? Explain about master slave, how Jenkins master will communicate to nodes through SSH or controller method. SSH everyone knows, right? You tell me simple logic. Okay. Jenkins trying to connect this node. This server and what and all required? Permissions. Key pair, very good. So here definitely key should be upload of target server, private key, right or not? Then only public key is here. This private key if you upload means both can handshake. SSH method, same like a bash host, right? Bash host inside private key uploaded means bash host is able to connect a target server. Target server private key you need to upload into the source server. But here source server is what? Master. Target server is Docker. So while creating a Docker server, two keys will be generated, right? Public, private. Public should be here. Private should maybe your laptop. Copy from there to your Jenkins master server. Now Jenkins master is your laptop. Clear? Yeah. You can do SSH hyphen keys and also. Clear now? Concept is what I'm trying to say. Okay. So node means any process you can take. Small process. Not Kubernetes and all. You don't know Terraform process or Git process and all. But what I'm going to do now, let's remove this. By using Jenkins, I'm going to run a git clone command. Enough. To run git clone, we need to install Jenkins here. But instead of install Jenkins inside Git server, I'm able to run git clone. From where? Here. Clear? Don't create a multiple dependencies here. Simple command you can take, that's it only. If you take Terraform and Kubernetes and Docker, if error will get into inside the server, you may get a confuse here. Just understand the concept is what. Guys, you tell me I need to run git clone command by using Jenkins. Immediately what you can say, then install Jenkins here, right? No, my Jenkins is running in different server. My Git is running in different server. Still, I want to git clone by using Jenkins. Is it possible? Yes, possible with master slave concept. Or install Jenkins into same where the Git is running. Clear the two concepts now what I'm trying to say? You know, right? Where the Git is running inside the server Jenkins is running means you know what to do. But this process is what? Jenkins is running different server, Git is running different server. Okay, let's go now. Connect this Jenkins server. Java plus Jenkins. SG group issues. Oh, I'm not going to explain CADR for them. If I explain to them CADR, it will take 1 week time. The way they're asking doubts. Simply, I will show calculator option. Very important entry question. This is how to access. Yeah, in real time load balancer only. Careful guys, okay? Jenkins running means on which server Jenkins is running. If they ask, don't say public server. If it is running public server, security issues will come. Private server you can say. How private server then you are accessing? Load balance. Without load balancer. Hmm? No, I have explained one process here. Without load balancer also we can access private server. Hmm? No. Huh? Yes, yes. Someone is saying. Very good. Nginx reverse proxy. In the same server you can install proxy, right? The proxy you can define anything that will be redirect your request. You were so close, huh? But better don't touch that areas. I mean, load balancer, Nginx proxy both are same. The difference is what here? Load balancer is cloud manager service. The proxies we are installing Nginx and all, that is you can manage third party tool. Okay? If you open source. So we are using one proxy server in different server. I mean, two servers required to do this process. One proxy server, one where exactly you need to redirect. Okay. Otherwise, Nginx also, how you can access from external IP only, right? If Nginx proxy is running private server, how to access? Private server don't have public IP, right? In this case, create one more server. In that server, install Nginx proxy. There you can redirect public IP port number redirected to this private IP. So both are in same network, right? Take the request, redirect into private server. Cloud also following the same. But That load balancer where it is running, it's not in our control. It's a managed service. Somewhere it is there. We are configuring. Whoever access load balancer, request will go to load balancer where running inside the server, it will go redirecting it to our private server. Okay. Yeah. Cat. Next Monday, Terraform paper at any cost you guys need to submit with explanation. Given 2 weeks time, 2 weeks classes plus 2 weeks time, 1 month time. Okay. Monday. I don't know if you are busy with India New Zealand match, complete Saturday. Don't say this kind of answers to me. Monday class. Okay. Monday at any cost, online plus offline. We will track very closely, person to person. 10 members I'm going to deploy for tracking. Taking help from 1030 batch, 4 members, offline mentors, 3 members, online mentors, 2 members. I'm the one person, total 10 members. We will take 10 people divide and check every person. Share your GitHub URLs. Simple first question is to check 16 days Terraform repositories there or not. Plus, I'll check the dates where you can push the content. If you push today, tomorrow I can understand, right? This is point number 2. Point number 3, test series. Whoever complete only, I will take care something for the coming classes. Okay? Yeah. After that, no sir, I'm not following your instructions, but tomorrow I have interview. Please give the interview questions. My suggestion is don't go that interview. You may disappoint completely. DevOps is not for me. You may disappoint like that. If you feel like that, no problem. Impact is only on you. But you can come to market. You can say DevOps is so difficult. No calls. Interviews are so difficult. But you are not saying that I'm not preparing well. You not say. Except that everything you can say. That is a problem here. The upcoming students may disappoint with your comments. Don't disappoint others. A very good market still in DevOps. So I don't know, guys, whether you sleep or not. I don't know. DevOps always hot kick in the market only. Huge packages. You may not expect your package in your future also, in your dream also. That the kind of packages you may get if you do practice. 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, 70 lakhs also you will get. Depends on your experience. The challenges also will come anyway. Okay. In my company, I mean, the workspace in my company, there is ambulance always. One ambulance. My friends, we are discussing. Always this ambulance is only there only, right? Why? Why means if someone is stressed, immediately will push there only. Apollo, understand? Just comedy conversation. They're giving packages, also they're providing some path. No problem. We will put lot of pressure. Also, we place some, ambulance and doctors here. They will take care. Every day one person will come, take something and go. I will share the pic. Wait. So there, everything is possible. If they're giving something, so that's what we need to understand, guys. Yeah. I have shared in Telegram group. You can check. Always that ambulance is there only. So actually the funny conversation is don't work more. We are discussing like that. Bro, we'll go somewhere. Don't work stress. See, ambulance is there only. Facing is our like that. The funny. The ambulance name is Yashoda. Okay. So this is master. Now you are here. Clear na guys? Now you are here. Next. To prove this concept, how many servers required? Very good. Minimum two, right? Minimum two. One already running, right? What is this? You just status put running so you can see only one server. Jenkins master. Okay. Next, launch one more server. I'm just running. I'm giving name Gita. So Jenkins slave for better, easy understanding. Guys, T2 micro is enough. T2 medium is required. T2 micro is enough, right? Not even okay. Let's take T2 medium. Not required. T2 micro is enough. The reason Jenkins is not running here. Okay, I'm taking T2 medium. Very important thing is what? Yeah, you can give same key. Clear or not? If you give different key, this different key, private key, you can upload the source server. Clear? Even if you can give different key also no problem. Anyway. So where is the server? Server not created, huh? Oh, correct. Good point. Okay, this is now running state. Okay. And a very important thing, guess to run Jenkins, what required first? Java. Now tell me this Git server inside Java should be required or not? Hmm? Required or not? To run so Jenkins will run Git. For example, Git process need to run by what? Jenkins. In this case, Jenkins will connect and run. In this case, to run Jenkins here, Java required or not? Otherwise, Jenkins unable to work first this one. Clear now? SSH method is what? Connect and run, not pull and run. Clear now? So in this case, what? Java is required. You already saw yesterday now. Yeah, good. So done, right? Okay. Prerequisites all are done. But very important thing is what? I miss one thing. Anyone guess? Yes. M install git-y. Okay. Now my what I'm going to do, git to clone any repository. This is manual process. I don't want to clone this using manual process. I need help of Jenkins. Just to understand the process, how to do this git clone process by using Jenkins master. Both are running different server. Clear? Clear guys, still here, right? Yeah. So now here, you are here. So what your Jenkins master configurations required to do a slave job configurations. So in this case, first go to manage Jenkins. There is a node concept here. Click on this node. Create a new node. Wait, just a minute. Better. I have shared the document. You can check. What last one need to repeat? So I'm inside of the Jenkins, guys. Okay, I'm creating a slave node. Node already running. How we can configure here to here? We have a two methods. So we have to follow first control method. I'm going to explain, then SSH method. So in this case, first master node configuration you have to enable. You can build a communication between these two first. Then we can go for the job process. Clear now? In this case, I'm creating a node, new node. You can see here. I have shared already. Open this. Yeah. Okay. Everything is there here, including screenshots. So build method. Click on the new node. I'm here now. So can give the name here. So I'm giving here node one something. You can give any name. Node one. Okay. I mean slave. This is, I mean, configuration for node. Permanent agent. Create. Number of executors one. I will explain what it is. Root directory. Root directory means Jenkins will come and run here, and which path Jenkins will run. Default path is what? Varlib Jenkins workspace, but you can define any custom workspace also here. In this case, I'm giving home easy to user. You can give anything. So inside home easy to hyphen user, I have given a path like this. Okay. And labels, I'm giving div. I will tell you what labels it is. Next, uses as much as possible. Use this node as much as possible. The condition is what? Use this node as much as possible. Launch method is what? Two methods. See, we discussed, right? Control method, SSH method. Let's go for control method. Means this method. Okay. Next, availability. Okay. Sorry, this is SSH method. Let's come down a little. This is control method. Two methods also they are here. Okay. Launch method, launch agent by connecting to be controller. Yeah, controller method. Next, keep this agent online as much as possible. So you just keep these three as is. We'll do some changes later after creating it. Okay. But remember label also, Dave. Next is what? Node properties. If you can see, node properties, I'm giving disk space monitoring thresholds are all are 200 MB, capital MB, small m. Which means your Jenkins will take this space only, threshold, time space, temporary space, and everything. Okay. Otherwise, it will take 2 GB, 3 GB, 4 GB by default. In this case, your instance type you need to be increased. T2 micro also will work if you can give 200 MB here all everything. My process is very less rate, just git clone only, so no problem. Save. Okay. So node 1 is created, right? But this node 1 is what? Out of service. Click on this node 1 now. So now take this agent and install into where? Which node Jenkins want to communicate? Clear now? So take this. Which node? Slave only, not master. Okay. Master get communication from slave means master agent installing into the slave agent. That agent contains what? Some configurations. Node has to run pipeline on which path, and node has to run on which label. These are contents in this agent. So let's install. Done. Next, take this entire. See path also there here, right? As I mentioned, copy. Connected, right? So if you give control C, it will cancel chaos. That's what you can run no hope command. Continuously run this process background. Anyway, now open duplicate tab, otherwise better. Keep the processes run, open duplicate tab. Clear now? Okay. Let's go and check now. Now your node is online, right? Okay. With this help of this node, one agent will come. That agent install where exactly Jenkins has to perform the task. Clear now? Okay. Now come to manage Jenkins. Now I'm going to write a pipeline now. I'm going to create a pipeline. How to create? Just give here pipeline 1. Very interesting. See now. Okay. Go to hello world. So I'm going to just git clone only, right? Git clone means pipeline syntax go here and go to here. Git give the any what you are going to be clone. Okay, Terraform main for example. Take anything, just a sample only, right? Path main. You don't worry, just keep as is. Apply save. Okay. If I run this pipeline will execute into where? Main server only. But I want to run this into slave. First, your configuration done or not? Yes. My master able to connect slave or not? How to verify? How to verify? Go to dashboards, manage Jenkins, nodes. Yeah, online only. If it is like offline means in sync. Okay, your master is able to connect node. Then fine. Then run a pipeline for node. How to? Here. This is now. What is agent any? Now we can focus. Agent any means any node. But here, if I mention specific labels, see now the yeah. If I mention like this, what will happen now? This label only will work. Okay, let's go and run now. Here what? Label. My label is what? Dev. Very good. Clear now? So this pipeline, I mean, now this pipeline not agent any, right? Agent only. This pipeline has to run on which agent now? Dev. Dev is configured to dev configure for which node? Slave. So this pipeline will execute on slave now. Clear or not? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Perfect. Apply save. Bill now. Stage view is missing. Let's go to manage Jenkins, plugins. Pipeline one success. Now tell me, this job executed on master or node? I mean slave node or master? Slave node. Clear now? Slave node. Go to the logs. Running on which workspace, guys? Home is user. Why? We have given path, right? While configuring node time, path is home is to user. So Jenkins is running on home is to user path of your node. So you can give any path. Where should I go? CD home. CD home EC2 hyphen user ls. Are you able to see others messages? No. Cloned or not? Cloned by Jenkins master. But Jenkins is running different server, right? How our robo is going and running here? We are giving configuration access. Which access? Why Jenkins is how Jenkins is able to run instance? Because of one agent is running on slave. That agent belongs to master. That agent contains some information. The agent created by your configurations. Clear now? Yeah. Your task is to do by SSH method. Just very simple. Go to nodes. Give any node to permanent agent. Why? Create. Everything is same. Changes are only here. Launch method is not controller. Host means what? Private IP of the server. Next, credentials means you can add here. So it will open whenever you can click credentials. It will open credential section. Which method you can choose? SSH username, private key. So simply give username, enter direct key. You can directly paste it here. SSH method. Key, once key is copy paste is done, you are able to connect your slave. Process is same again. Okay. Try your end. We'll see if you are facing any challenges. I will take care. But document is very clear. The steps including screenshot, you can easily do it. Let me explain. This is not done. Okay. Now, private IP only. Both are same network, right? Same VPC only, right? Jenkins is running. This is running. Load balancer, when we can use, the request is accessing from external. Okay. Now tell me, guys, if I remove like this, if I add agent any, okay, focus please. Hey, how master and slave node connecting? Why confusing here? So we have already installed what here? This agent, right? This agent contains what? Secret by default to connect master and slave. And agent is running. So for example, two servers are there. One server is giving one agent. If you install my agent into your server, I'm able to connect. Right or not? Same process it is doing here. You are installing Jenkins master agent into slave node. If slave node is accepts, you are able to connect. Very good. CloudWatch agent is there. Whenever CloudWatch agent install onto the EC2, that agent will work, call the logs into CloudWatch dashboard, right? Here, Jenkins master agent install into the node. So if node accepting, then node is accepting means agent you are installing. Agent contains what? Secret. Secret for what? Communication, authentication. Next is what? Work directory to run on home EC2 user. All details are there only. That's what connected. If connection is failed, Jenkins and node disconnected. The communication is disconnected. Clear now? Yeah. Now see here. 1, 2, 3, 1. Yeah. Add one more curly brace. This case, apply save. Control C. Agent any case. Let's comment. Okay. So guys, agent any case, if I take here, now tell me if I run this, pipeline will execute on which node? Main. Why? Labels are not giving. How the Jenkins communication done first? How Jenkins can decide this pipeline is for that node, this pipeline is for second node, this pipeline is for third node based on the labels. Clear now? If you are not specify any label, the meaning is what? Agent any means what? Jenkins will take care. Any agent, by self, Jenkins will try to install this Git into the master agent. Clear or not? Let's see now. Will it work or fail? Fail. Why? Jenkins master inside Git is not there. You can check the logs, even you can understand here. See, Jenkins running on which path? Not home EC2 user means what? Not on node. Where lib Jenkins means what? Where the Jenkins is installed. Master. See, inside master git is not there. That's what. But Jenkins master only support to run on slaves, not on master. In this case, how to avoid this? We can do one thing. That is, go to configurations. Configurations, huh? Dashboard. Manage Jenkins. System, I think. Yeah. Number of executors are there, right? These executors will help to run Jenkins, the performance. If I give 0, what the meaning is here? No resources are allocating for Jenkins from the EC2. No CPU, no RAM means Jenkins is not work in the same node. Understand? If I give 6 means number of resources you are giving for to run this Jenkins. Now give 0 means you are inside of master node, right? Master node inside you are giving 0 means master node not giving any resources to run Jenkins. This is the meaning. Number of executors 0 means. Where to implement this? Manage Jenkins system. Don't forget, system inside. Go to number of executors 0. Now this case you can run pipeline. Executed. Where? Anyway. Node, not master. Master no git, right? Definitely will get an error. Now check the logs. Clear now? But I don't want to accept. My node is saying that this is labels are not matching, right? Labels are not matching, right? Still, my node is now how you are deploying in my node. Labels are not matching, right? But you said one thing, right? Jenkins is saying that you said one thing, right? What I said? Let me do. Yeah. Go to nodes. What you said at the time? Configuration time. Keep this agent online as much as possible. Okay. And this case, yeah, use this node as much as possible. You said, right? That's what I'm using. Master and restriction is there, but pipeline has to run. Pipeline inside condition is what? Agent any. My agent is not running in the master. I have only option node, but node condition I'm verified. What you said, as much as possible. Then I deploy. Okay. Let me change my end. What is this? Only build job with label expressions matching this node. Guess you are inside of node 1 configurations, not master configurations. Understand? Now node inside restriction this is. Now node 1 inside restriction is what? Only deploy when the label is match only. Okay, apply save. Okay, again go to dashboard. Pipeline 1. Now tell me, pipeline inside isn't any. Now this case, pipeline will run or not? Master is not possible, executors are 0. Master inside no pipeline will execute. But my end only one node is there. That too, the labels are not matching. Clear now? So still your node always, Jenkins master always looking for node. So not matching, right? Still it is running, keep on. So in this case, what should I do? Cancel this. Again go to my pipeline jobs. What should I do here? Instead of agent any, I can give agent, open the curly braces. Here what I should give? Label, give div. Apply save. Clear now? Now condition met, right? Okay. My node is saying only matching label expression time only we can. Other times not take any priority. That is control of in the node level only. Clear now? The how to work with master slave. So in this case, my end 10 servers are there. What should I do? You need to install this agent into 10 servers. Right or not? But one thing is very clear. 10 servers are there means in the dashboard manage Jenkins, how many nodes will create here? 10. This node 1 is for one server, next node for second server, next node for third server. Why? Each node labels are different, right? This node 1 is labels are different. See? Second node, second label. Third node, third label. But Jenkins master inside pipelines all are here only, right? From here only I can control all the nodes, right? How Jenkins will control this pipeline should execute on that node, this node, third node, fourth node based on labels, tags. Clear the concept now? One dashboard for all deployments. How to manage based on the label. Before work, configuration is required. Which configuration it is? Agent. That agent will come from create node inside the Jenkins masters. Clear now? This is control of node level. Now you need to do SSH method. Create 3 servers. First is master and second server is for controller. Do it. And then create third server. Third server you're trying to connect from the master through SSH, not controller. Do it today at any cost. Any questions? Need to change only label for other node. Also configurations also change, right? I mean, same control method means yes. That's what, guys. See, one simple logic, if you observe, you can easily understand now. While creating node time, see, copy existing node. If you use copy existing node, same existing node configurations will copy here. Suggestions means, for example, label want to change. Any suggestions will come? Not coming, huh? Then go for same configurations, controller method also. Again, you are doing control method. Changes are only where labels. Clear now? Yes. So do it 2 methods today. Jenkins master slave is very important entry point of view. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I hope you guys are clear. This is 2 difficult concepts in the Jenkins. So please practice today. Don't worry. Still, if you are facing challenges, you can ask tomorrow. I will repeat also. I don't have any problem. But without practicing, don't ask me to once more repeat and kind of question. First practice and then ask. Okay. Document already shared in the group. You can check. Bye. Thank you.